Hi guys, my name is Abhishek Sahani, and I'm neither a YouTuber nor do I know how to make the videos. But yes, I'm a bike enthusiast. I have a couple of old bikes starting from Royal Enfield 60s, Triumph 63, 79, G2 engines, Royal Enfields, and I've been working on a couple of bikes as well. So, as far as Perak, yes, I like the bike, and I booked it on the first day, and I was the first one to get the delivery as well. Here in Gurgaon, so it's early morning, 6 o'clock here in Gurgaon, and I thought let me just share a video of me riding the bike. I've rode the bike for quite 200 kilometers now, short of 200 kilometers, 190 something. So मैंने कहा चलो यार एक वीडियो बनाते हैं. Let all the people know what do I think about the bike, how is the response, what are the things they should consider. And most important, I'm not making a video for you to sell a bike or to buy a bike. My purpose here is to let you know what this bike is all about. My purpose here is not initiations of the sales. मैं कुछ बेचना नहीं चाहता हूँ, ना ही I'm from the company or doing anything. But yes, since I have the bike and a lot of you people asked me personally कि यार एक वीडियो बना के डालो आप for the owner's review, how's the bike. So I thought let me do it as well. Alright, so short of 200 kilometers, the bike is very, very responsive. It's much better than what I expected. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं पेराक को कंसिडर करने के लिए जो आपको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. कुछ लोग कहते हैं यार लेट्स बाय द पेराक, हम इसमें यहाँ पे विल आज नहीं तो कल करोड़ बाग जैसी मार्केट है, विल गेट सेकंड सीट एंड दिस एंड दैट. लेट मी टेल यू बडी, पेराक आपके लिए है ही नहीं. यू आर नॉट द वन फॉर द पेराक. Company has put a lot of thought into the bike, Java, and they've built it very well. It's a rock solid bike. They have engineered all the components very well, minutest details. They have integrated all the things very well. सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा है. The finishing is much better than the bike that was available for the test drive. Engine is good. It's very responsive on the highways, on the small roads, on the potholes. The suspension is very good. The bike responds to the acceleration very impulsively. It responds like quickly. अब आपको ये देखना है कि क्या आपको बाइक लेनी है. अगर आपको बाइक लेनी है और आप बहुत टाइम से सोच रहे हो कि पेराक लेनी है, ये लेना है, तो यार पेराक आपको चाहिए तो फिर आपको पेराक के लिए बनना पड़ेगा. और बनना क्या पड़ेगा, अगर आप हो पेराक के लिए, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप 2 लाख 2.25 लाख रुपए की बाइक ले रहे हो तो यू हैव टू बी कि ठीक है मैं रात को अकेला निकलूँगा, घूमूंगा फिरूँगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन बाय दिस बाइक, यू कैन relish it, यू कैन enjoy it. आप इसको मॉर्निंग में ड्राइव पे लेके जाओ, ऑफिस जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ. इट्स अ वंडरफुल बाइक. द रिस्पॉन्स इज़ वेरी गुड. सीट वीट के चक्कर में मत रहो. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल लाइक दिस. यू डोंट हैव टू गेट इनटू सम आफ्टर मार्केट पार्ट component addition to this and spoil this bike. सत्यानाश हो जाना है if you do something like this. Handlebars are good. The tank is very good. The paint is very good. The tires are good. Fine. I could have, they could have added better tires instead of C8. The exhaust notes are very nice. Very nice. I really liked it. When you pull in the acceleration, 125, 30, 40 तक भी मैं गया हूँ, 35 तक गया हूँ on this bike, and this is not much of a vibration. 100 तक तो वाइब्रेशन बहुत ही कम है. उसके ऊपर थोड़ा वाइब्रेशन है, बट क्या चाहते हो यार, 350 सीसी की बाइक भी नहीं है. If it had been a 1000 cc bike, it would have some different thing altogether. हाँ, यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी फॉगिंग हो जाती है sometimes in the morning when I ride the bike, but that's okay. That's a very minute something to think about. There's this wire hanging. I don't know why we had to tie it, and it's very nice. It's a head turner, and it gives you very confidence to sit behind these wheels. It's a very confident feel. Very confident feel. I'll just switch on the ignition. Yeah. 195 kilometers. I rode it twice. once yesterday and once day before. Okay. Upholstery is good, seat is nice, the paint is very nice. These don't change it as is. कुछ मत करो. This is very beautiful bike. The company has put a lot of thought in it. Response बहुत अच्छा है. Tires बहुत smoothly perform करते हैं with the engine. It doesn't skid. Yeah, if you run it against the air, आपको हल्का सा pressure felt होता है. There is a body roll to it because अब है कितनी 200 किलो की बाइक है. It's not even 200 kilos. So उतना तो चलेगा. Exhaust, you know, मैं आपको बाइक का रिव्यू इसलिए नहीं दे रहा हूँ कि आप खरीदो नहीं खरीदो. मैं आपको जेन्युइनली बता रहा हूँ कि क्या खरीदनी चाहिए. क्या आप कस्टमर हो? You know, if you love to ride, you ride solo. आप ये मत सोचो कि मेरी बीवी कहाँ बैठेगी, गर्लफ्रेंड कहाँ बैठेगी, गर्लफ्रेंड को कहाँ बैठाऊंगा. यार गर्लफ्रेंड को कार में बैठा लो. ज़रूरी है कुछ तो अपने लिए करो. If you want to do something for yourself, if you love yourself, if you have that drive, you want to go away from the crowd, if you want your shadow to follow you or you follow your shadow as per the sun, this is the bike to go for it. You know, it's a very wonderful bike. I have had a couple of bikes, it's a 4 times more powerful as well. But with this power and this weight ratio and this, it's a rock solid bike. ये लोहा लाट bike है यार. This is rock solid bike. Very nice. I love it. I love the response on the highways. It's very nice. It's a very good feel to ride this bike. मेरे को तो बहुत मज़ा आया. Okay. I'll also turn off the engine for you. इस एग्जॉस्ट साउंड की फील बहुत अलग है. वेरी डिफरेंट एग्जॉस्ट साउंड. You know, you have to know what a Perak is. It's not made for everyone. You know, Perak is the only bike I would rather say that chooses its own buyers. You have to know what a bike is, you have to know what a ride is, you have to know how to ride solo, you know how to go away from the crowd. You know, you have to know how to calm yourself down. So for me, it's a thumbs up. Out of 5, I would rate it 4.5. 0.5 I would say less because छोटी छोटी चीज़ें फॉगिंग होती है थोड़ी सी है. But go for it, man. Go for it. It's a wonderful bike. If you love yourself, if you know how to spend time with yourself, आपको खुद के लिए कुछ करना है, खुद के लिए टाइम निकालना है, दौड़ धूप से बाहर भागना है, go for it. Absolutely go for it. Wonderful bike. Thank you so much, guys.